I think of myself as a vacuum first, robot second. I can turn on a dime. I'd suck the dime right up. I can suck a dime right up. I can suck a roll of dimes up. But not if they're still in the wrapper. Give me one of those specially minted commemorative coins, and it's gone back there with the dust, right in my ass. Susan B. Anthony, you're going to Asstown. Sacagawea, you're going to Asstown. Alexander Hamilton, I'm taking you and your wig straight to Asstown. Who else is on coins? I don't care who the hell you are. I catch you on my rug, you're going into my ass.